Hi hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to create another account to access your CPanel. So if you are hiring some admin or staffs that you want to give an access to your CPanel, you can go, first you have to log onto your CPanel, your own CPanel, and then you can scroll down until the bottom of your page, and then you can see this is the user manager. Click that user manager, and then you can click add user, and then you can put it a name, for example any name, and then the username you can customize it, and then the domain you want to share, and then the email address. This is necessary because if the person want to reset this password, this email gonna be received that reset link, and then the server information, and then you can also uh, give some particular circumstances like email, FTP, or web disk, and so on. Okay, that's it. This simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you should, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.